This Octoberfest craft brew beer recipe kit. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Look at the contents. The bag. Got the yeast. So one thing that this thing didn't come with was the hops. Customs took the hops out, but what I have some hops on hand from another kit. Traditional pellets, some lemon drop pellets, also have some Mosaic pellet hops. Go ahead and pour 2.5 gallons of water in the pot, heat it till it reaches 155. I just use all filtered water here. All right, I'm gonna bring this up to 155 degrees Fahrenheit or approximately 68 degrees Celsius. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add the grains to the bag while this is coming up to temp here. I just tie it off. All right, we're now up to temp. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop this in. Let it steep for 20 to 30 minutes. We're gonna hold the temp at 68. It's 68 degrees Celsius or 155 Fahrenheit approximately. It's been about a half an hour. Go ahead and pull this out. I'm just going to let it drain. I'm not going to squeeze it. Just take it and toss it. I'm going to go ahead and bring this up to a boil. All right, I got it up to a slow rolling boil. I'm going to go ahead and add my dried malt extract. Just mix it around real good. I'm going to go ahead and add my tradition pellets, 1 ounce. You would add some Mosaic hops too. These things don't smell as good as your citras or maybe centennials. I'm just going to add a few. They smell like cat pee, but god dang, they taste good. All right, I got about 2 minutes left in the boil. I'm gonna go ahead and add these lemon drop pellets. Been over an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and kill the heat on this. Now I'm gonna give it a nice bath. Here is to get it cooled as quickly as possible so we can pitch our yeast. It's got to be at the right temp though. So this yeast 12 to 25 degrees Celsius, 53 to 77 Fahrenheit. Ideally, you can read right there. Get all my big pre-made ice chunks in here. I leave the top on just to keep any foreign material out, but enough to let it vent. And just let it cool as quickly as possible. I'm gonna add some more ice too. What I'm doing now is filling this thing up with my fermenter with filtered water, cold filtered water. I've got my wort cooled, and then I'm probably going to fill it up to about here, and then add the chilled wort to it, and then top it off to about the 23 liter mark, and siphon it off down into my fermenter. I got my temp down where it needs to be, and I'm going to go ahead and put the yeast in. Pitch the yeast. Oh, this smells so good. Nice and hoppy. The wheat smell. Mm-hmm. Go ahead and give this a little stir. So if you put your yeast in when it's too hot, it'll just kill it. So that's why the low temp is desired. So we'll start here. All right, now just wait 2 weeks. Bottle this stuff. So I had a little taste test just right out of the fermenter. Tastes incredible. really good. And so I'm gonna go ahead and bottle it. Got my bottles all clean, sanitized. I'm gonna put 2 drops, just like that, in each one, and go for it. Try to one hand this, and I would keep the glass to one side a little bit, just pour it slow. Yeah, the taste of this is really good. The Mosaic hops really come out to give it that fruity taste. So yeah, I'm making this one again. It's good.